aim is helping non-technical users, non-technical teams use AI to become 10 times more productive. One of the things that we focus in is we don't do anything about the expert side of the firm. We are not experts in accounting, legal, financial advice, or reviewing contracts, anything like that. There's other solutions that focus on that. We focus mostly on operational side of the firm. So in law firms, we call it business of law. In wealth management, we call them back office operations, but it's the same idea. It's all of that 50% of your company today dedicated to more manual, repetitive work. We're letting your non-technical teams train their own AI. And the idea is, imagine instead of training a new employee, why not train an AI to start doing that work for you? Imagine joining a Zoom call with an AI on the other side, and you can start explaining your process as you go. So maybe you're running conflict check on a new matter. Maybe you're dealing with new setup of a new client and all the different accounts you need to create across your systems. Maybe you're getting thousands of emails a day and you need a better way to sort them than just basic rules in Outlook. So the cool thing, you can say, hey, I'm going to show you how I want you to start doing my time entries for me, sorting my email, scanning checks or receipts, and start doing this kind of data entry. So as you're explaining how you do a process and you show it how to do it, the AI agent is understanding your process and building that set of steps it needs to follow to replicate your process. So do I need to interact with iManage, Adirant, NetDocuments, Salesforce, or Microsoft? Do I need to extract information? Do I need to understand the contents of the email? Do I need to rename this file? Depending on what you taught it, it starts building this kind of decision map of the things that it needs to do. We're not a legal chatbot. We're a platform where your teams can train their own AI agents by just showing on their screen how they do certain work, and the agent learns to do it for you. So that makes it super, super easy for non-technical teams to adopt it. Usually we start working with intakes, conflicts, and the accounting side, everything about reviewing pre-bills, comparing them to guidelines. They will record it directly on Caddi. You'll have the recordings, you'll build the agents, and then you can supervise the agent's performance. It's way more reliable than any other kind of agent.